Today, this is King Robert from Math Academy. So now we're going to look into 6.2. So now the question in 6.3 is very, very interesting. It's out of 6 marks. They say that given f of x is equals to 2, then they say that find the value of x. So what we're going to do here is to say f of x, as always, f of x. Okay, that would be, you've got inside the root here, I'm just going to unpack something inside the root. It's going to be 6, then sine squared x. Therefore, now I've got 90 plus. Remember, 90 has to change. So now when I change it, it's going to be plus, because the negative and the negative will be positive. 11 sine x plus 7. Sine x plus 7. By the way, they say that this thing is equals to 2. So now I'm going to equate it to 2. Okay, there we go. I'm going to equate it to 2. Then when I equate it to 2, it's going to be 6 sine squared x, then plus 11 sine x plus 7. Then I'm going to change that root into 1 over 2. I hope you guys can see that this thing is already giving you what? It's already giving you the trinomial. Then I'm going to get rid of the half. What I do on the left hand side must be done at the right hand side. I know most of you forgot that you only removed it on the other side. So this one is going to be 4. Then it should be 6 sine squared x, then plus 11 sine x plus 7, because the 2 and the half and the 2 will cancel. Therefore, now what I'm going to do is to take 4 to the other side. So when I take 4 to the other side, it's going to be 6 sine squared x, then plus 11 sine x, and then plus 7 minus 4. Then it's equals to 0. Therefore, now I am having what we call the beautiful trinomial here. Then you can use quadratic formula, or you can use the other one, which is what we call, you can use as well as a factorization. So what I'm going to do here is just to make sure that it is very simple, is to say let sine x be equals to k, just to make sure that it is very, very simple. So it's going to be 6 k squared, and then plus 11k, and then plus 3. It's equals to 0. Therefore, now here we need to make sure that we use the algebra very well. The algebra means algebra. So therefore, now what are the factors here? I'm going to say, okay, I've got 11. So that should be 3k. Obviously, I can write 2k here. Then it's equals to 0. I cannot write 3 on the first one, because if I can write 3, I'll take the common factor, and my term does not have the common factor. Therefore, I'm going to write 3 here. 3 and then 1. Because everything is plus, I'm going to write plus and a plus. I hope you can see what we are doing. When we say 3 times 3, that is 9, and then plus 2, that is 11. Therefore, what I'm going to do is to say, okay, this is 3k, which is equals to negative 1. Then I can divide by 3. Therefore, k is equals to negative 1 over 3. Remember, I'm not looking for that. I'm not looking for k. So what was my k? My k was very simple. It was sine x is equals to negative 1 over 3. Mind you, remember, whenever we are dealing with the negative, it means that we are going to look for the value of x wherein sine is negative. Therefore, now we're going to say x is equals to arc sine. That will be 1 over 3. When you say 1 over 3, obviously you are going to get that the value of x is the same as 19.471 if you round it to 3 decimal. Then we are going to say, where is this guy negative? Then that is what we're going to do on the other side. Where is sine negative? Sine is negative in the third quadrant. How do we get the angle in the third quadrant? It's going to be x, which is equals to 180, then plus 19.471. Okay, then we're going to use a calculator plus 180. Then we are going to get that the answer is 119,471. Okay, therefore now we are going to say, okay, where else is this thing negative? That is 360 minus 19.471. Then you can use a calculator. That will be what is it giving us? That is basically 340. That is 340.529. Then you are almost done. Then we're going to do the second one. How do we really do the second one? We still need it for just in case. Therefore, now in the second one, we have 2k. It's equals to -3. Okay, then we divide by 2, then remember the k is the same as -3/2. If it was k, that was going to be fine, but now we are dealing with sine, so we're going to say, okay, sine x is the same as -3/2, because this is already less than -1. Anything that is less than -1, it's undefined when we are dealing with sine. You can even prove that if you can just say x, it's equals to this one, and then you say 3/2, that is already above 1, so it cannot work. So it means that on the last one we do not have the solution, so that will be NA. So that was all about 6 marks. So what we're saying is that in math, this is all about the basics. So remember, they're asking you the algebra with the sine and the cos and everything. So somebody has to know his rules. Thank you so much. We hope to see you very, very soon.